Rolling. Who?
Okay.
I don't know.
I'll circle all the way around the yard of my bare feet.
No!
Yeah, I'll do it.
No! I can't see.
It's gonna be cold. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I better get my slippers ready. I'm running all the way to the end of the driveway in my bare feet, but you have to follow.
Okay.
Ready? Oh, I'm so cold.
I am too. Do you just want to go back in and, you know, get a bigger jacket on?
No. Cold. Oh, you got it?
Yeah. You're an idiot! Stop!
Warm.
Then let's go back in. Say bye to the camera, Kenzie.